The world premiere of the new Renault Trafic E-Tech electric reveals 280-mile max range and 1.2-ton payload ahead of its late 2026 launch. The new Renault Trafic E-Tech electric has made its debut at the Solutrans show in Lyon, France, with new details of its late 2026 launch confirmed. It will feature fast-charging 800V tech, provide a range of up to 280 miles and will be joined later by chassis cab, platform cab, tipper, flatbed and cargo box versions. UK specification is not confirmed just yet, but we're confident the information we've received today won't change too much before next year's proper launch. Built on a new all-electric skateboard platform, the new Trafic E-Tech electric will be available in two lengths. In the shorter L1 body style, the van will provide a load capacity of 5.1 cubic meters, be 4.87 meters long and 1.92 meters wide. The L2 van will provide a load capacity of 5.8 cubic meters and be 5.27 meters long on a wheelbase that is 40 centimeters longer. Both lengths will be 1.90 meters high to ensure easy access to height-restricted car parks, and the load space doors and apertures will be big enough to load Euro pallets from the side and rear. The electric motor will output just over 200 horsepower and 345 newton-meters of torque, and should help the vehicle provide a towing capability of 2 tons and a payload of 1.25 tons. Onboard power for tools and appliances, over-the-air software updates, and a new safety suite will also be available at launch. What range will the new Renault E-Tech electric provide? The new Trafic Van E-Tech electric is likely to be available with a choice of 2 batteries, urban range or long range. The long-range battery will provide the maximum 280 miles, while the urban range battery will provide nearly 218 miles, although the latter smaller battery doesn't appear to be available at launch. The batteries will use the company's new 800V fast charging tech, with a DC fast charge from 15% to 80% taking around 20 minutes. The cabin of the new Renault E-Tech electric features a tube-shaped dashboard with 2 screens, one a 10-inch cluster and the other a 12-inch central screen angled towards the driver, which a lot of other vans don't have. The angling, not the screens. For storage, you'll get a glove box, 3 cup holders, a document holder under the central screen, 3 storage areas behind the instrument cluster, 2 small cubbies on either side of the steering wheel, a deep shelf under the dashboard on the passenger's side, and 2 levels of storage in the doors for different sized bits and bobs.